Most people nowadays are following trends and using editing templates, but it's the great creators that are able to take these trends and add value. Now, adding value is a two-way street. On one side, we are adding value to our viewers by entertaining, educating, or motivating them. Then on the other side of the street, we are adding value to our brands by building familiarity and awareness about our brand and who we are and what we do. These trending videos would fit into this lower left quadrant. They take a short time to create, but they don't really add a lot of value. Now, in saying that they can, you might create a video that goes completely viral and up your game into the viral part of the quadrant. But let's get our expectations at a reasonable stage here and just say we can knock out these videos. If we feel like, oh God, I haven't uploaded anything this week and I don't want to go and film anything myself and I just want to create quick content, then this is brilliant and it's going to get you out of a lot of trouble. What you'll need for this is a TikTok app on your phone with an account set up, and you'll also need the CapCut app downloaded to your phone and connected to your TikTok. It's very straightforward and easy to do, and if you have any questions about that, do let us know. Next, go to TikTok. And within TikTok, make sure that you are on the For You page and not on the Following page. Now scroll through until you see on top of the creator's name, eventually you'll come to a place where it says CapCut, try this template. So let's take this one here now. In this example, it's point of view. Your manager asks you to do something outside of your work description.
No.
What?
I said no.
Why not?
I don't want to.
Before you go to edit this template, this is where your creativity really comes in, because you're like, how do I apply this so that it makes sense to my audience and still portrays me as the expert in the industry? So as a video coach, I'm thinking immediately, how can I apply this to my audience? And this is someone who doesn't want to do something because they just don't want to. And I might put in here POV, when you ask a client to appear on camera. So I'm going to click into CapCut and try this template. Once you have your CapCut account set up, this will bring you straight to CapCut, and you just say use template in CapCut, this red button down here. What it's wanting for now is a clip that's 5.1 seconds long. I can see that down here, or I can just put in a photo that I've already taken. Or what I tend to do with these kind of things is I go to Pexels, which is a free stock footage and photo site, and I'll put in ring light, and then I will take this image here and I'll just download image. Now I'll go back into CapCut. Now I will choose that image, click on preview.
No.
What?
I said no.
Why not?
I don't want to.
The next thing I can do then is reposition the person who's in green screen so I can move them wherever it kind of makes most sense to me. And then I'll also click on text, the T option on the bottom, and plus to give me space to add text. And here I'll write, when I ask a client to go on camera. And then I can actually put a return key there to just make that more centered and make it as big as I can. Now, the thing about these templates is I can't customize a lot. I can't change the font to my brand font. I can't change the colors or anything like that, but it's a cool way to have it. Then I'll click export, and I won't click save to device because it's going to add that CapCut watermark up in the top right hand side. I don't want that. So what I'll do is I'll click save and share to TikTok without CapCut watermark. This will export and bring me straight to TikTok, but I actually don't have to share on TikTok if I don't want to. I can go back and then just click straight onto Instagram or click other and save video, and that will actually save my video without the watermark, and then I can upload. So now we're familiar with this style of video where it's like a cutout of a person, they're saying something, you change the text to apply to your niche and the background that makes it applicable to you. Super quick win, great for getting some views and, engaging your audience and entertaining them a bit. But that's not where the templates end. There are so many templates on here. So keep going through and wait until you come across something that you think is cool. How about this one? A July dump. So at the end of the month, do a dump of some of the favorite photos that you came across. So again, I'll click on CapCut and try this template. CapCut will hopefully recognize it. click on use template, and now it's asking me for a variety of different photos or videos. So it wants 15 different ones ranging from 2 seconds to 1.8 seconds to 1.5 seconds. So I was recently at a building course, but let me just grab some of the photos or videos from that and we can put all of those together into my July dump and see how that goes. Great. Click on preview, and it's not going to have the music now, which makes it kind of hard to judge how good it is. But it does give a nice overview of what happened. I can add text in here as well, which says July dump, or I can even update that if I want to August dump. I can then add sound in TikTok. That's my next option. So we'll export into TikTok. And then I can click next and I can upload that then to share with everyone. So again, I don't have to upload this video to TikTok. I can actually tell it to export to TikTok, but then cancel out, go back and click on other, and that will allow me to save the video to my camera roll. I want you to do this with not just one, because that's too easy and will take you too less time. But if you only have time for one, that's obviously perfectly fine. I know that you're super busy, but if you can do it for like 4 and then have those 4 saved in your phone and be able to upload one once a week at least. So, you know, this Monday, next Monday, third Monday, the fourth Monday, now you'll have something in your phone that you're able to upload when you've time. Now, I know the trends, they don't last an awful long time, but, you know, they still stay relevant for a few weeks and they can be a funny callback as well. Even if they're kind of an older trend, people still recognize them and go, oh, that's funny, because now you're applying it to your own niche. So best of luck with this challenge. Make sure to tag @the Vidacademy. Thanks a million for watching, and I'll see you in the next challenge.